What's up, guys? This is Jason, creator of IdolCam. A couple of weeks ago I showed you guys the prototype of the Aussie car cam, and today we have a updated version. It's a two-stage dampening, so we got the high frequency dampening and a low frequency dampening. So let's check it out, and then we will do a run test, and I'm hoping this time we will get better footage. So as you can see, the car looks very different from last time. Last time there's only two plates on the bottom here, and it was only trying to mask the high frequency vibrations. And this time we have added the fourth axis, so now you have low frequency dampening and a high frequency dampening. So hopefully the result will be better than last time. I tested at home. It seems to do quite well, so let's see how it actually films in real world situations.